Winter in Barrie can be brutal, and with freezing temperatures and your heat not working in your home, it can be very stressful. But don't panic. Here's exactly what to do first. Start by checking your thermostat. Make sure it's set to heat and that the temperature is higher than it is in the room. If it's battery powered, swap the batteries. Next, look for the furnace power switch. It often looks like a light switch near the unit. Make sure it's on. Then check your breaker panel for a tripped furnace breaker. Take a look at your furnace filter. A clogged filter can cause overheating and automatic shutdowns. Replacing it might get your heat back on. If you see error codes or blinking lights, take a photo, and that helps your technician diagnose the issue faster. But if you smell gas, hear a carbon monoxide alarm, or see smoke, leave the house immediately and call emergency services. Affordable Comfort is here to help you, so be sure to give us a call and we'll get your furnace working as soon as possible. Stay warm, Barrie.